The Messina Conference was held from 1 to 3 June 1955 at the Italian city of Messina, Sicily. The Conference of the Foreign Ministers of the 6 member states of the European Coal and Steel Community would lead to the creation of the European Economic Community in 1958. The delegations of the 6 participating countries were headed by Johan Willem Beyen, Gaetano Martino, Joseph Bech, Antoine Pinay, Walter Hallstein, and Paul-Henri Spaak Joseph Bech was chairman of the meeting. The foreign ministers of the ECSC had to meet in order to nominate a member of the high authority of the ECSC and to appoint its new president and vice presidents for the period expiring on 10 February 1957. The meeting was held at Messina at the request of Gaetano Martino, the Italian foreign minister, who was detained in Sicily because of the regional assembly elections. They appointed René Mayer as president of the High Authority to replace Jean Monnet. The ministers also reappointed the Belgian Albert Koppe and the German Franz Etzel as vice presidents of the college. In addition to the above-mentioned agenda, the meeting included consideration of the action program to relaunch European integration. In August 1954, the plans had collapsed to create a European political community and a common defense force, the European Defense Community, as a substitute for the national armies of Germany, France, Italy, and the 3 Benelux countries. When France refused to ratify the treaty, the 6 CCSC countries then turned their attention to the idea of a customs union, which was elaborated at Messina. The final resolution of the conference, largely reflecting the point of view of the 3 Benelux countries, formed the basis for further work to relaunch European integration. The Benelux countries in the Benelux Memorandum proposed the revival of European integration on the basis of a common market and integration in the transport and atomic energy sectors. At first, the name of Paul van Zeeland, former Belgian Prime Minister and Minister for Foreign Affairs, was mentioned to head the committee which was to work out a proposal. Johan Willem Beyen, however, proposed Paul-Henri Spaak, who was entrusted on the 18th of June with the production of a report at an intergovernmental committee in order to evaluate the option of a sectoral integration of the step-by-step establishment of a European common market. The Spaak report of the Spaak Committee and the subsequent intergovernmental conference on the common market and Euratom, which was held at the Chateau of Val-Duchess, would lead to the Treaties of Rome in 1957 and the formation of the European Economic Community and Euratom in 1958.